Jai Hind everyone. Today we will learn how we can make a shape of peacock. For making the shape of peacock, we need a square paper. Okay, and color you keep the color side top on top. Now see the steps. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, step number 5, step number 6, step number 7. Okay, we have repeated here 7 steps. Okay, now what we have to do, see it, we will turn it in this way. Okay, now open it. Now see, I think it is clearly visible to all of you what we have done. First we have to fold in this way. After that open it and fold it. Okay, now see, first step, next step, after that next step. Okay, now fold it. Now see, we will open this paper, back sides paper, and see the shape of this. So I think it is clear to all of you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.